You've heard that big things come in small packages, but exactly how big is a Volkswagen Up GTI? We have all those items, so let's find out. So then, for a little bit of perspective, we're working with a 251 litre boot space. As you can see, there's ample amount of storage here, but you can also lift up the boot flooring, which increases the literage. And for added extra space, we can fold down the rear seats, creating a very flat surface, which hopefully means we can fit all of these items in. Right then, let's give this a go. First off, flat pack Christmas tree. Of course, you can't forget the bags for life. Everyone needs to do a weekly shop. And then of course, your favourite Celebrity Crush poster. More essentials, this one's fragile. Laptop, gotta keep on top of the workload. And last but not least, the flowers. Beautiful. Well, there you have it. The Volkswagen Up is quite the car. It can fit a plethora of items in. It's quite staggering. It's perfect for people moving back to uni, moving house, or even going away for a long weekend. And there's even more space on the passenger seat. Right then, talking of long weekends, I'm off on my own. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe either. Bye.